My name is Terkon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. I'm here with another update video about how you can go about earning money online with Clickbank. If you are a beginner and you are seeking for ways how you can go about earning money online with Clickbank, I can show you the system that I'm using. I'm using a step-by-step training system that allows me to earn money with Clickbank. This step-by-step training system teach me step-by-step what should I do for me to earn money online. And if you are interested, you can get access to this training system by clicking the link in the description and get started with the same training I'm using. This training allows me to earn money from more than one company. Clickbank is just one of them. And you can see this is my Clickbank account. I'm going to refresh the page and show you guys that this is not a screenshot. I'm going to log out and log in back and show you guys real proof that this is not a screenshot. So if you are interested in ways how you can earn money with Clickbank as a beginner, this step-by-step training is for you. Yes, it will show you step by step what you need to do in place for you to earn your first income online. When I get started with this step-by-step training, it allows me to earn money every single week with Clickbank. You can see it here. I earn money every single week with Clickbank. And as what I said before, this training system doesn't allow me only to earn money from Clickbank. It allows me to earn money from more than one company. So it doesn't matter what business opportunity you are in. It doesn't matter what product you are promoting. If you are interested, all you need to do is click the link in the description and get started with the same training I'm using. Yes guys, if you are in a business opportunity and you're not getting the result that you really want to get, you need to click the link in the description and get started with this training. Okay? Have a nice day.